y'all, Cookin' Savvy here. Let's talk savvy weeknight meals for a minute. This time of year can be crazy busy, but you can use this baked spaghetti recipe to bring everybody back to the table. It won't take long to cook, and it won't break the bank either. Start by browning and draining some ground beef. Then boil some spaghetti noodles according to the package instructions. Drain the noodles and mix in Alfredo sauce.
This will keep those noodles nice and moist.
Add marinara sauce to the ground beef, then season with garlic and onion powder and salt and pepper to taste. Place the noodles in a 9x13 baking dish. Spoon the beef mixture on top of the noodles, but don't mix it. Cover the whole thing in shredded cheese. Then cover the dish in foil and bake for 30 to 40 minutes at 350 degrees. Serve with bread or a salad and watch everybody clean their plates. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Until next time, I'll be doing my best at Cookin' Savvy.